Hello, hello, hello. It is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor, here with a very better late than never market update for what our numbers in July looked like. It's not going to be too long before I'm already giving you August numbers, because can you believe we are already almost at the end of August? I just cannot even wrap my brain around that. But always good news. I mean, this market just keeps giving us more good news, so knock on wood. Sales prices are up again in Tarrant County from July of last year to this year, from 289 up to 295. So steady increases across the board. Johnson County rose about from 232 to 246. So that's a pretty good increase there, as well as Ellis County, y'all. Ellis County, do you even know the kind of growth that's happening out there with Midlothian and Waxahachie and Ennis and that whole area? It's just crazy. They had a sales price increase from July of last year to July of this year. $270,000 was their average price. $292 this year. I mean, that's a big difference. So lots and lots of growth happening out there. Dallas had a little bit of a decrease. Collin County stayed a little bit steady, and then Denton was just a small increase over there as well, from 370 to 376. So across the board, still very good news in the Dallas market. So pleased to be able to tell you that. Our home sales are up again from July of last year to this year, 28,000 to 29,000. So, I mean, again, the market continues to move. Everybody's a little bit concerned, not everybody, but I have people ask me frequently, you know, is the market slowing? Do we need to be concerned? What's going on? It's not fading, that is for sure. So average days on market, we still are in the 30 to 40 range, which is fantastic. And number of closed sales stayed pretty steady. It went up by about 500 houses from 2018 to 2019 July. So this is all good news. We are just going to continue to watch things happen in a positive direction. If you have questions about your area, if you have questions about your home specifically, if you have questions about purchasing a home, whether or not this is a good time. P.S. Speaking of purchasing, interest rates right now are the lowest they have been in years. We had, you know, back right after the crash when interest rates were down in the threes, they're in the threes again. Oh my gosh. So let me know if you have questions about that. Would love to give you information. So have a fantastic week, and hopefully I will get to talk with you very soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.